Hello and welcome back to Leighton Vans Australia. As you can see behind me, we got this awesome Transporter T6.1 in for the works. Top to bottom, inside out, it has everything. So I'd love to show you the process that we've been through with this customer and see if you want to do anything like that. Come and check it out.
The Solo NXT suspension. We've got the gloss black trap sidebars and we've got the roof bars fitted. Today's task is going to be LV-R. The LV-R parts have all come back from paint, looking great. So today we'll do the front end, we'll do new headlights, gloss black grille and the LV-R front. And then we'll move around to the rear for the LV-R rear. And then from there we'll then move inside and start on the interior conversion. So as you can see, we have got the beautiful LV-R front bumper on here. We've got the gloss black grille. We've also done LV1 alloy wheels. We've put in for windows. We've got one fitted. The other one is yet to go in as we still have the carpeting to do. So we have installed the sound deadening and the van liner. We've done all the wiring. So we'll have LED touch lights, down lights in the roof of the van and in the tailgate. As we've also got the suspension, we've got, as you've seen before, the sidebars and the roof bars.
Got Dan finishing off the sound system. It's swapped out like for like, and the Alpine system is really a really nice finish. Plugs straight back into your factory head unit so you don't lose your Apple CarPlay and your Android. It really just suits the whole vehicle.
We've just had one of our customers' vans come out the shop. This is stage 2 completed. LV-R front bumper, as you've seen before, it's an absolute beauty. Gloss black grille as well. Also the LED headlight upgrade. For this one, also installed fog lights in here. They weren't standard on this vehicle. We've got a blacked out badge. As we move around, we have LV1 gloss black alloys. So these are a staggered set. So there's 10-inch on the rear and 8.5s on the front. This one's also sitting on a set of Solo NXT coilovers as well. So it rides really, really well, very responsive. The gloss black sidebars down here and also the roof bars on the top. They just finish off the look of the van. From the exterior, it's got the LV-R rear spoiler, as we mentioned, together with the LV-R rear bumper. It just looks great. LED tail lights as well, and also a bumper protector to go on. So start off with the carbon and leather steering wheel, this one with a black stitch. We can do multiple colour stitches on there to match your preferences. We've also got a full leather upgrade. So this is a full leather upholstery. Again, we've gone with the black stitch on the leather. So that's the 2 front chairs and also for the rear bench seat that we've installed. We've also upgraded the audio in this one. So this one has the full Alpine audio pack. So that includes 2 tweeters up in the A-pillars. We've got speakers in the doors, and also underneath the driver's seat here is a sub and an amplifier. That's just plug and play into the standard head unit. Sounds great when you switch it on. It's a really nice upgrade, that one. We've got the Leighton front mats just to finish off and just make it feel that little bit more luxurious. So this did start out life as a very basic panel van. So we've installed windows on either side. We've got a full carpet and paneling, suede paneling on the interior. 2 LED touch lights above the rear seat. These open and operate on the doors. There's also LED lighting in the rear of the vehicle, which operates on a switch. We installed this bench seat as well, so a triple. This one's actually a genuine Volkswagen seat, fully engineered. This one will be signed off and it will now be a 5-seater vehicle. So we've taken this basic panel van to an absolute beauty that you're going to love driving and showing off to your friends. This one again, all the paneling in here, there's sound deadening, there's van liner in the walls, in the roof, in the floor. This one's got a threshold cover in it as well as our rear load mat. There's LED lighting up in the top and also in the door. So this is it. This is our combi conversion at Leighton Vans, looking absolutely great. Anything like this takes your fancy, or you'd like to have some more information about it, contact our friendly team at Leighton Vans Australia, so leightonvans.com.au. You can find all our details on there. Hope you enjoyed this build as we've gone through and recorded it for you guys. So jump online, get in touch. Thanks guys.
Bonus time!